All right, wheel number 3 on the BMW X5. Again, curb rash most of the way around the wheel, down the spokes a little bit. Some of these spokes I'm going to hit with the grinder too. Just going to use the red conditioning disc to get this damage out. Nothing deep enough to switch up to an 80 or 50 grit disc. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will start grinding on this wheel. Alright, done with the grinder. I'm going to put a fresh 320 pad on the sander and we'll get this wheel finished up and ready for paint. Then we'll go ahead and take the 1500 grit scuff pad and go around the entire wheel. Alright, and on this one, it's a machine face with the silver inset with a decent amount of flake, so we're going to use the medium silver to paint this one. The paint and everything else I use to repair rims is all linked in the description. If I'm missing anything, I know there's some stuff I use infrequently that are not. There's no links. Just shoot me a message in the comments if I'm missing something, and I can tell you what it is and where to find it. Alright, and then we will finish this off with a layer of clear coat and move on to the next wheel.